How to add a new contact on Telegram. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to see how you can easily add a new contact on Telegram. So the very first thing you want to do is basically open up a Telegram application. Make sure that you're logged into the account where you want to add your contact. Now, in order to add a new contact, at the bottom right corner, you'll find a little pencil icon right up your camera. Just tap on that and it will take you to this new message page. Now you need to go ahead and tap on this new contact option right below new group. Then this pop-up will appear. Now you can add the first name of your contact. Last name is optional. You can add it if you want. And then you could add your phone number. You can change the country code or tap on the flag to select your country. You can even tap on the search icon at the top left to search for a country. So let's say if I want to add someone from the US, tap on that, and then you can easily add their number over here and then tap on create contact. Once you have done that, you can just tap on OK, and if they aren't on Telegram yet, you will have an option to invite them. So tap on invite and the invitation will be sent. That is basically it, guys. That's how you can create a new contact on Telegram. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.